You can support us by subscribing.
The Ukrainian forces used drones to destroy North Korean infantry in Kursk Oblast. The soldiers of the 8th Separate Special Purpose Regiment and the 95th Air Assault Brigade used drones to destroy North Korean infantry in the Kursk Oblast of Russia. Dozens of losses and more than 100 wounded were reported as a result of the attack. The press service of the 8th Regiment released a video and stated that over the past 3 days, the official website of Ukraine said unit killed 50 enemy soldiers and wounded 47 more during the fighting in the Kursk Oblast. During this period, the armed forces of Ukraine's special forces destroyed 2 armored vehicles, 2 cars, and 1 enemy ATV. The 95th Air Assault Brigade showed another video of repulsing enemy attacks in the Kursk Oblast. The paratroopers said that in just 2 days, the Russians had lost more than 50 personnel and over 100 soldiers were seriously wounded. At the same time, the press service noted that it will be possible to say that it was the North Korean military only after some Korean in captivity tells about his difficult fate. A slightly shorter video of FPV drones hunting for alleged DPRK military in Kursk Oblast was released by the Syndicate 95 unit of the same brigade. The day before, the press service of the 17th Separate Heavy Mechanized Brigade showed how its soldiers, together with adjacent units of the Ukrainian Defense Forces, delivered a devastating blow to North Korean infantry in Kursk Oblast. Enemy soldiers' foot convoys were attacked by artillery, including cluster munitions. In addition, the enemy was attacked with the help of FPV drones. Meanwhile, soldiers of the 12th Special Forces Brigade Azov of the National Guard of Ukraine destroyed an enemy assault group using FPV drones. The corresponding video was released by the brigade's press service. It is noted that the attempted assault took place in the Toretsk sector in the Donetsk region. The Russian assault group tried to approach the Ukrainian positions using a Desert Cross all-terrain vehicle, a passenger car, an armored personnel carrier, and a Kamaz-Patrol 6x6 armored vehicle. While driving, an all-terrain vehicle and an infantry fighting vehicle hit mines, and a passenger car was hit by an FPV drone. Subsequently, a rare Kamaz-Patrol 6x6 armored vehicle entered the field and was disabled by drones that damaged its wheels. After that, the armored vehicle began to move uncontrollably in circles around the field. After it stopped, a landing party disembarked, trying to gain a foothold in the nearest building, but was destroyed by drone strikes with drops. Previously, on December 1st, it was reported that the Azov Brigade had received Croatian RAK-SA-12 rocket launchers, which it uses near New York. The Croatian lightweight rocket launcher has already proven to be a serious weapon for repelling waves of enemy attacks and supporting infantry. To transport the RAK, it is enough to have a pickup truck. Its small size provides good camouflage. The crew receives the coordinates, works for a few minutes, and the position disappears again. And 128mm shells are fired at the enemy. Recently, the Ukrainian Defense Forces destroyed a Russian OSA-AKM air defense system. The corresponding video was published by the press service of the 411th Separate Battalion of Unmanned Aerial Systems, Yastreby Hawks. The movement of the enemy's SAM to the cache was tracked by a reconnaissance drone controlled by operators of the 1st Special Unmanned Aerial Systems Company. Then, the building housing the Russian OSA-AKM air defense system was hit by fire. The accuracy of the hit, which was captured on a video by the military, indicates that the defense forces most likely used a high-precision munition for this strike. However, it is not known which one. In addition, the military does not disclose in which area of the front and at what distance this Russian OSA-AKM system was destroyed. The explosion destroyed the building after a precise hit almost in the center of the building, which the invaders used as a hidden position. All this time, a Ukrainian drone was monitoring the location and result of the hit, which helped to adjust the strike. Recently, the 411th Separate Battalion of Unmanned Aerial Systems, Yastreby, reported that a new regiment is being formed on their base.
Блядь, осколки падають, прижми голову! Чуть-чуть лівіше. Давай. Контроль сразу, контроль.
Там залишились троє. Все, давай дирку знайдемо, гранат закидаємо. Все, проходимо.
Друже, право, гранати є? Нема. В тебе є? Одна? Єбать, ну стараємося на характері взяти.
Прямо! Понизить силуэт!
Прикройте! Вейт, крой право!
Fuck!